Good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manu Sir's Institute. Today I am going to start part 2 from exercise 8.4. For part 1 of exercise 8.4 you can click to the I button given on the top. Either you can click to the link which I have given in my description box. Search for the part 1 of exercise 8.4 where I have taught you the formulas of this exercise and question number 1 and 2. Now we will solve in this section, we will solve question number 3 and 4. Okay, so in the question number 3, question is given evaluate means we have to solve. Okay, we have to solve and get the answer. In the first bit, third question, first bit, it is given sine square 63 degree plus sine square 27 degree whole divided by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. So we will solve this question. Add the angles and see by adding which two angles we will get 90 degrees. So 63 plus 17 is not 90, it will be 80 degree. 63 plus 73 is more than 90 degree. 63 plus 27 is only 90 degree. Okay, 63 plus 27 degree is 90 degree. Similarly, 17 plus 63 is also not 90 degrees. So no pairing of these two ratios. Okay, but 17 plus 73 degree is 90 degree. Okay, 17 plus 73 degree is 90 degree. Okay, so we will change any one out of this and we will change any one out of this. Already we have discussed in exercise 8.3. So I am going to change 63 degree and 17 degree. Okay, so sine square 90 minus how much? 27 degree is 63 plus sine square 27 degrees as it is. Okay, this will be as it is. Cos square 17 degree will become 90 minus 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Okay, now sine 90 minus theta, sine square 90 minus sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, theta is 27 degree plus sine square 27 degree whole divided by cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So cos square 90 minus theta is sine square theta plus cos square 73 degree. Okay, now we will use the formula of the identities which I taught you. Okay, these are the formulas I have written in a paper so that you will be able to understand. See the formula and the question which we have. Okay, these two are theta, so theta are same here. 27 degree is same. Similarly 73 degree and 73 degree is same. Okay, these both the ratios degrees are similar. So which formula we will use? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. That means the denominator will be 1. Same for this also. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. It is written in the reverse order, but the result is same. Okay, sine square theta plus cos square theta is also 1. So 1 divided by 1 is 1. So the answer for the first bit is 1. The second bit, question is given sine 25 degree, cos 65 degree, no sign, that means these are in multiplication, plus cos 25 degree, sine 25 degree. This type of question we had done in 8.3 where I told you that whenever you will get any question with two terms in multiplication and in between them any plus or minus sign will be given, then change the same degrees from both the side. Either you change both 25, either you change both 65, you will get the result. But don't change the alternate degree. Suppose I will change 25 from here and I will change 65 from here, then you won't get the correct answer for them. Okay, so from both the side you change the same degree. So I am going to change 25 from both the side. Okay, so sine 90 minus 65 is 25 into cos 65 plus cos 90 minus 65 is 25. Okay, are you getting? Into sine 65. Sine 90 minus theta, cos theta into cos theta plus cos 90 minus theta, sine theta into sine theta cos 65 into cos 65 is cos square 65 degree. Remember, whenever you are multiplying any two trigonometric identities, identity will get the power, degrees won't get the power, degree will be same as it is. Okay, similarly sine into sine, sine square 65 degrees. So we have the formula which I told you in the previous question, sine square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. This formula always it will be useful. Okay, so sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is the answer for the second bit. In the third bit, question is given tan 50 degree plus sec 50 degree whole divided by cot 40 degree plus cosec 40 degree plus in the middle cos 40 degree into cosec 50 degree. This is the question it is given. Okay, now I told you that by adding which 2 degree you will get 90. Okay, so 50 plus 50 is 100. So we are not getting 90, so there is no comparison between these two, or there is no relation between these two. But 50 plus 40 is 90, and this 50 plus 40 also 90, but there is no relation between tan and cosec. Why? Because if I will write tan 90 minus theta, formula is cot theta. That means the relation is between tan and cot. There is no relation between tan and cosec. So there is a relation between these two, and there is a relation between these two. Okay, cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, or sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Understood? So I said whichever 2 degrees we are adding, 50 plus 40 is 90, I will change any one. Similarly, whichever degrees we are adding, if it is getting 90, we will change any one. So out of these two I am changing 50, out of these two again I am changing 50. Okay, because there is a relation between tan and cot, there is a relation between sec and cosec. Similarly, we will change 40 between 40 and 50, any one degree. So here I will change 40 degree. Okay, so tan 90 minus 40 is 50 plus sec 50 degree will be as it is, whole divided by cot 40 degrees as it is. I haven't changed 50 degree, I will change sec 40 degree. Okay, no problem, either between these two change any one. So I will change cosec 90 minus 50 degree is 40. Okay, so from this I have changed tan theta, from this I have changed cosec theta, plus cos 90 minus 50 degree is 40. Okay, 90 minus 50 degree is 40 into cosec 50 degree. Okay, are you getting? Next, tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 40 degree plus sec 50 degree as it is, cot 40 degree plus cosec 90 minus theta is sec 50 degree. Okay, we have the formulas, cos 90 minus theta sin theta into cosec 50. Cosec 50 can we write 1 by sin 50, because cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. This is the formula. Okay, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. So cosec 50 I wrote 1 by sin 50. Now everything is same, numerator and denominator is same, so we can cancel. We will get 1 plus, we can cancel these two, we will get 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is the answer for the third bit. Okay, so I said whichever degrees you are adding, if it is 90, change any one. Same for this, change any one. Okay, so by changing we have got the same degrees, we cancelled and we got the answer. Now fourth bit. In fourth bit, question is given sec square 10 degree minus cot square 80 degree plus sin 15 degree cos 75 degree plus cos 15 degree sin 75 degree whole divided by cos theta sin 90 minus theta plus sin theta cos 90 minus theta. Okay, so first of all we will see by adding which 2 degrees we will get 90. So it is clear that 10 plus 80 is 90. So out of this we will change any one. Okay, similarly, as this type of question we solved, I said either you change both same degrees, either 15, or you change from both the sides 75 degree. So from both the side I will change 15 degrees. Okay, and we will see what we are getting. Okay, first of all, sec square 90 minus 80 is 10 degree. Okay, 90 minus 80 is 10 degree minus cot square 80 degree plus sine 15 degree will become sine 90 minus 75 degree cos 75 degree plus cos 90 minus 75 degree into sine 75 degree whole divided by cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta's formula is cos theta plus sine theta. Cos 90 minus theta formula is sine theta. Okay, sec square 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, so cosec square 80 degree minus cot square 80 degree plus sine 90 minus theta is cos theta into cos theta. Okay, as it is this value plus cos 90 minus theta is sine theta into sine theta whole divided by cos into cos, cos square theta plus sine into sine, sine square theta. Okay, we will use the formula which I told you before, cos square theta minus cosec square theta minus cot square theta. As you can see here, this value and this formula, it looks same. Okay, in place of 80 degree here theta is given, so cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. That means cosec square 80 degree minus cot square 80 degree is 1. So this value is 1. Okay, plus cos 75 into cos 75 is cos square 75 degree plus sine 75 into sine 75 is sine square 75 degree whole divided by cos square theta plus sine square theta formula is 1. Okay, 1 plus cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1 divided by 1, its value is 1. Okay, 1 by 1 cancels, 1 we will get, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer for the fourth bit is 2. In this way you have to solve fifth bit. In the fifth bit, question is given cos 58 degree divided by sin 32 degree plus sin 22 degree divided by cos 68 degree minus cos 38 degree cosec 52 degree. These are in multiplication whole divided by tan 18 degree, tan 35 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 72 degree, tan 55 degree. Okay, so we will solve the question as we have done already these type of questions. So by adding these two it is 90. I will change any one. Okay, by adding these two 90 I will change any one. Again similarly by adding these two we will get 90, so I will change 38 degree. Okay, tan 18 plus tan 72 is 90, so I will change 18. 35 plus 55 is 90, so I will change 35. Okay, what about tan 60 degree? We have the value, you know, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 and 90. These values we have in the trigonometric table. So tan 60 degrees value we will substitute here. Okay, cos 58 will become cos 90 minus 32 whole divided by sin 32 will be as it is plus sin 22 will become sin 90 minus 68 whole divided by cos 68 minus this will become cos 38 will become 90 minus 52 into cosec 52 degree whole divided by tan 18 will become tan 90 minus 72, tan 35 will become tan 90 minus 55 into tan 60 will become root 3. The value of tan 60 is root 3 into tan 72 into tan 55 degree. Okay, now cos 90 minus 32, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, so it will become sin 32 divided by sin 32 degree plus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 68 degree whole divided by cos 68 degree minus cos 90 minus theta sin theta, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Okay, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta as we know. Okay, now tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 72 degree into tan 90 minus theta again cot theta, cot 55 degree into root 3 will be as it is. Tan theta is 1 by cot theta. Cot 72, this will become 1 by cot 72. This will become 1 by cot 55 degree. Now cancel, these two will become 1. Cancel it, these two will become 1. These two also will be cancelled, so nothing is there. Numerator will be 1 minus, okay, cot 72 cancelled, cot 55 cancelled. What is left? Root 3. So 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 1 by root 3. Multiply root 3 here. 2 root 3 minus 1 by root 3 will be your answer. Question number 4. In question number 4 it is given, choose the correct option. So there are 3 bits in this question. First bits question I wrote 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a equals to. It is asking to choose the correct option from the given 4 options. Okay, by solving we have to find out which one will be the correct option. Okay, so we will write the question 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. What is common between these two? 9 is common. Okay, both are having 9, so I will take it outside. So we will get sec square a minus tan square a. Now 9, what is the formula for sec square a minus tan square a? We have the formulas here. Sec square a minus tan square a is 1. Okay, sec square a minus tan square a is 1. So in place of them you write 1. 9 into 1 is 9. So which one is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. So by solving we got 9 as the answer. Second bit. In second bit question is given 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta inside bracket, everything is inside bracket, again 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta inside bracket equals to, we have to find the correct answer. 4 options are 0, 1, 2 and minus 1. Out of these 4, any one will be the correct option for this question. Okay, so I wrote the question once again. Now what we will do, I told you in the formulas everywhere there are power 2 or degree 2. With square we have formula, but there is no formula with degree 1. There is no powers here. So what I will do, first of all I will convert everything into sine and cos. Remember in this exercise, if you are unable to solve any question, try to convert the terms into sine and cos. Write everything in terms of sine and cos, you will get the answer. Like tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So the first term I wrote in terms of sine and cos. Okay, you can see here sine by cos, 1 by cos. Tan became sine by cos. Now the second term also we will represent in terms of sine and cos. So cot theta is cos theta by sine theta minus cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. Here nothing is there, we can write 1. Now the LCM of these 3, there is nothing in the denominator, so don't worry about it. But these two have cos theta. So what is common in between them? Cos theta is common. So LCM for them is cos theta. As there is nothing in the denominator, cos theta will be multiplied to numerator. Okay, as we are doing the LCMs. This have cos theta, same LCM, so same term, nothing to multiply. 1 also have cos theta, so we will only write 1. Okay, into same here, LCM is sin theta. In the numerator sin theta will come plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, we will multiply now. After, if we will multiply these two terms, what we will get? Sin theta into cos theta we will get in the denominator. Sin theta into cos theta I have written with sin first then cos. This also I will arrange. Sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. I will give two different bracket for them. Okay, sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 into, this is as it is, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, can you see? Now this looks like A plus B and A minus B. Okay, the total term is A, one is B, this total term is A and one is B. So A plus B and A minus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square. A square minus B square. A is sin theta plus cos theta, B is 1. Okay, you can able to see here sin theta plus cos theta is A, 1 is B, sin theta plus cos theta is A, 1 is B. As in the middle plus and minus sign is there, so A square minus B square's formula. In the denominator as it is, sin theta into cos theta. Now a plus b whole square. A is sin theta, b is cos theta, and its whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1 square is 1. Okay, into divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now this will be sin square plus cos square is how much? From the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, this much is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, this term. Okay, minus 1 whole divided by sin theta cos theta. Okay, 1 and 1 cancel. So how much we got? We have now 2 sin theta cos theta whole divided by sin theta and cos theta. Cancel the terms. What is the answer? 2 is the correct answer. So out of these 4, which one is the correct answer? C is the correct answer. Okay, third bit. In the third bit, question is given sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. These two are in one bracket, these two are in one bracket. These are in multiplication, and the options are sec a, sin a, cosec a, or cos a. Which option will be correct? We have to find out. So I will write the question sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Okay, since there are no power, there is no square in the question, so what we will do, I told you previously that whenever you are unable to solve any question, convert the ratios or trigonometric identities in terms of sin and cos. So this will become 1 by cos a, this will become sin a by cos a. Okay, into 1 minus sin a. There is no denominator, we can write 1 here. Okay, LCM is cos a, as it is common between both, and numerator will be as it is, into 1 minus sin a by 1. Multiply 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a plus b, a minus b. Okay, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square's formula. Okay, by cos a into 1 is cos a. Okay, now 1 square is 1 minus sin square a by cos a. A square minus b square formula we have here. Now 1 minus sin square theta is from the formula cos square theta by cos theta. Square and cos cancel. Here 2 cos are there, here only 1 cos is there. So square and cos cancel. What is the answer left? Cos a. So which option is correct? D is correct answer. Now fourth bit. In the fourth bit, question is given 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a, and 4 options are sec square a, b is minus 1, c is cot square a, and d is tan square a. We have to get the correct option from this. Okay, so I will write the question once again. As already I told you that wherever square is there, we can write their formulas. So there must be any formula for 1 plus tan square a. Okay, now look at here. 1 plus tan square a is sec square a. Okay, in place of 1 plus tan square a, we can write sec square a. Similarly, 1 plus cot square a is cosec square a. Okay, in the denominator we can write cosec square a. Are you getting? So in place of 1 plus tan square a, I will write sec square a, and in place of 1 plus cot square a, I can write cosec square a. But the answers are only one single value. There are no answer with numerator and denominator. Okay, so again I told you, you convert it in terms of sin and cos. So sec square a is 1 by cos square a, cosec square a is 1 by sin square a. Now write 1 by cos square a as it is, into this will be reversed, sin square a by 1. Okay, this will be reversed, sin square a by 1. Now multiply sin square a into 1 is sin square a, cos square a into 1 is cos square a. So sin a by cos a is tan a. So as square is there, we will write square for tan theta. So this became tan square a. Which option is correct? D is the correct option. Okay, so in this way we will solve the question. I hope you might have understood whatever I taught. practice the questions nicely. Whatever doubts are there, you can ask me in my comment box. Okay, thank you all of you.